and friends I go fishing with, and he's part of the group.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And you know that's where they get the big crabs at that area. There's a good restaurant cafe there. Yeah.
Any seafood or anything out of the water down there is all put. It's super bad.
Really?
It's a super fun site cleanup. Right down the street from that dock used to be the Esarco smelter plant. Millions and tons of pollutions into the bay and poisonous pollution.
Favorite na lang mga steak.
Stick that on the dock.
Pag mga oni sa
Should
gawas,
not
naku
be
po.
eating anything they catch.
Parehas na silang duha.
One of the restaurants there, so yeah. But it's so
They don't get their restaurants don't get their food from that bay. It's important for Alaska.
Oh, okay, yeah. Because we went to one of the restaurant, I think seafood restaurant or Duke or something. I'm not sure, but anyway, it
Today's menu.
wasn't bad. But it's just quite costly because it's water view and seafood and yeah. But it's all the fun. So get there. We should just start.
Sige.
So we can go ahead and have our meal. So thank you so much for letting us come in. Let me just wash my hands.
Para asa ang mangga?
Salad.
Oh, okay.
You dressed up?
No, I don't have to get dressed. See, I love to buy organic products, but they don't like it.
It doesn't like organic.
I didn't say I don't like organic.
But
No, it's expensive thing. No, it's it doesn't really matter. Whatever your preparation.
oo, mas expensive yun tinuod ang mga organic.
It costs more than
regular.
So
What's your favorite, Tina?
chicken. Alright. Sige. Are you doing
Sige.
a live on Facebook?
No.
Okay.
Ano lang. Record video lang tas i-upload
Okay.
sa ano.
Oh, so you're
Gusto
doing
ka
a
ba?
vlogging?
Oo.
Oh, sige.
Gusto ka pakita na ko yung face?
Sige,
Okay lang?
Show my face.
Okay, sige.
I took a shower today, so I think it's okay.
sige. Tapos i-introduce ninyo, di ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Alright, so let's go ahead and start. So I just want to say thank you for letting us come in and share with you guys on what we do. Okay, what we do is we inspire people to cook better and eat better and have a good quality of life. So our main focus is just sharing with you about how you could retain more nutritional value on the food that you're eating. Okay, so what we have, we are with Salad Master. We do change life, and also Hungry with Grace. Hungry with Grace is the local nutrition company in Lakewood. So our office is actually located in Lakewood. It's by Paldo. Okay, so now my name is Lani Lynn. Okay, that's my sister Germalyn. So what we're gonna do, our menu for today, we're gonna make a lasagna, overloaded vegetable lasagna. Okay, and then we're gonna make a crispy golden fried chicken, frozen. Did I say? Frozen chicken. And then we're gonna have our T-bone steak will be grilled in our smokeless broiler.
And who's gonna eat all of this?
You guys.
Us.
You guys are to eat with you. We can come here. We can eat too. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and start.
Okay.
So eating healthy, looking better, feel better, and live better. Salad Master cooking system is not just a set of high quality cookware. It is a choice that can lead to a better quality of life. Do we want that?
Yes.
Better quality of life, right? So, and before I'm gonna introduce you and the tools that we have today. So our goal, so we have a tools that we carry, and it's called the Salad Master. And this is one of our thank you gift. We're saying for referring us to your friends if you do enjoy what we do today, and who do you know that would like to have some experience about the cooking presentation, just like
My
today.
sister loves it.
So we would like for you to help us with that to inspire more people. And then, so of course, for those who'd like to have some cutlery, these are all our thank you gifts. Alrighty. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit how I I started in Salad Master and why I'm still here in Salad Master. Back in 2015, we were in the military, so we moved from different state to different state. When we were in Kansas, my son had epilepsy. 3 months after, we were stationed in North Carolina. Just two stranger lady asked me if I was a Filipina, and I said yes. And they got so excited. They said, "Oh my gosh, let's make some sinigang soup with no water." Are you familiar with that? Sinigang.
Sinigang,
right?
yeah.
Okay, sinigang soup with no water.
My
How
daughter
can you
loves
make a
sinigang.
How can you make a soup with no water?
Yeah.
So that's one of my question. As I had sinigang soup and water, and then a golden crispy chicken with no oil. So like, I'm into health because I was a cooking coach. You know, it's like I want to learn about that so I can inspire other people too on how to do that. But anyway, so the more I came to their house, even a totally stranger, you know, I went there because I have no friends. You know, moving to different states, I'm so new in the community. I came to their house. What I saw was this on the table, right? And I was like, oh my gosh, they're selling pots and pans. That's what I said to myself. Of course, I don't want to be rude, so I stayed and actually, you know, listen to the presentation. And what really got me is when they did a water test, which that's part of our presentation to complete it. We did a water test. I cannot believe what I have been doing for that. And since then, I have changed the way we cooked and eat for the sake of my son. For that reason, that was my goal. That was my purpose, to help out about my son. Now, what I love about the product is I'm not your typical cook. I'm not your typical chef. Okay, but I just enjoy to inspire more people about the fun and experience in Salad Master. What I love about the business too, that's why I'm here, because since I started 2015, I have been traveling pretty much around the world. Cost none to me. So the company pays for it. It's not free, it has to earn. Like, you know, I'm on the mission, my sister is on the mission, so we're cooking together. We need to cook 30 dinner shows in 30 days. So today actually is our 6th dinner shows. So thank you.
Really?
What is his name again, sir?
Tim.
Thank you, Tim. And
Lorna.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So 6. Muir, help us. Okay. So now. All right. So tell me, do you enjoy cooking or view as a chore? Anybody? Lorna, do you enjoy cooking?
Yeah.
Yes. Tim, do you enjoy cooking or see it as a chore?
It's okay.
It's okay. All right. Lorna. So for those of you that enjoy, you enjoy cooking? Seems like you made your breakfast already. Do you enjoy it? It's like, oh, I have no choice, I gotta cook. So if you enjoy cooking, you deserve Salad Master. If you do see it as yours, you need Salad Master. It makes your life easier. All right. So on average, how many times a week do you eat outside in this family?
It depends. Maybe once a week.
Once a week. Not bad at all. Yeah, that's great. You know, each meal, how much it costs you?
$35.
35?
Yeah.
That depends on if it's fast food or sit down.
Yes.
Sit down is
sit down.
$100.
Yes.
Fast food will be
Yes.
$10 a piece.
Absolutely, yeah. So fast food, like literally, so approximately between 300 to 500, depending on where your mood is, right? Fast food or sitting down. All right. So when you cook your food, do you normally use grease when frying?
Oil, yeah.
Yes.
All right.
But I use
No
olive
judgment.
oil.
Most-
Organic
mostly-
olive oil.
Organic.
Mostly.
Yeah.
What is the most important to you when planning meals? Do you prepare like quality ingredients, time, fast?
And the time depends on when we get home from work and how tired we
Yeah.
are.
Okay, all right. So, do you maintain or do you try to maintain nutrition when cooking?
Nutrition?
Yeah.
Well, she does,
Yep.
but
Me.
me and Tina are really vegetable eaters.
They don't care.
Yeah. That's good. At least knowing what is you know what you guys
I
been.
like a limited amount of frozen vegetables, but
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, most of my vegetables I like not cooked.
Okay.
I eat spinach raw, tons of it.
So-
When you cook it, I don't like it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Things
you
and
get
stuff
more
like that.
you get more nutrients from eating
I would
it.
rather have that chopped up in salad than cooked in the. Same with like asparagus and stuff like that. If you cook it too much, I don't like it.
Mm-hmm.
If it's just in a wok real quick,
Yes.
done, then I'll eat it.
But do you eat pancit?
Yeah.
What is it?
Pancit, the
Rice
noodles. Rice noodles.
It's like
Yes.
Yeah, noodles is fine. I don't have
Yeah.
no problem with noodles.
As long as wala lang siyang shrimp.
Oh no, shrimp. Yeah, no, we're
Yeah, I'll be
not
going to
gonna
the
have.
hospital if I eat shrimp.
Yeah, no. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin the chicken. Let me go wash my hands so we can start our salad. Salad now.
Alrighty.
They must have added that when you told them where meat eaters.
But before that, let me throw this chicken in first, okay? So
Sige.
I'm gonna show you
Fried
that
chicken.
this.
Fried chicken with no oil.
Yeah, right here. You hear that?
There's
Shake
liquid.
it to the left. Shake it to the right.
What is in there? Water?
There's a built-in oil in here.
Built-in oil. Okay.
You will see when your food is done, it creates that crystalline. So you see the beads.
Yeah.
So it's like we preheated it, and then we are going to drop the chicken in here. Even though it's completely frozen. So you know, in our busy life, like, oh my gosh, I forgot to thaw my chicken. I cannot make any more adobo. You know what I mean? Because I have to thaw them. Nothing to worry, because this Salad Master is so amazing that our tools that can actually.
Cool.
Why is it called Salad Master when we're cooking chicken?
We're the only company that we don't cook the salad. This
Chicken. Should be
we
chicken.
mastered the salad.
Should be Chicken Master.
I know, right? That's good. So let me just put this in here. When you fry the chicken, if you notice, we did not add any oil. Alright? So, and there is no season in there. No salt, no pepper, nothing. Totally, completely naked chicken. Because we want you to actually appreciate the natural flavor of the chicken. Not mixing any of them. But of course, it is always your choice on adding here and there. But for presentation purpose, we would like for you to taste it. Okay? Now, when the chicken is not frozen, if it's not frozen, 35 minutes your chicken is done. Now this is frozen, so we can add at least 5 or 8 minutes more. So for this time, let's put about approximately 42 minutes. Okay, because 35 minutes, at least add 7 minutes. Okay, now the timer, you set that 10, 20, 30, 42.
Oh, there's a timer in there.
Yeah, it has a timer. There you go. Now, leave it there. 42.
You're gonna say set it and forget it? Like the stupid commercial?
Forget about it. Pretty much anything. Okay, so when approximately 15 to 18 minutes, we would open that and flip chicken. Okay, so regular cooking, if you were to cook in regular pots and pans, you would fry it with oil or your olive oil, right? And when it's frozen, I don't know if you have tried it before, but mostly
chicken frozen now.
no, exactly, because once you open eat it, it's probably bloody. Yeah, right, and we don't. It's, yeah, exactly. But in Salad Master, we will show you. We'll cut it off, and then you can show you that it's not bloody. It will be completely cooked.
Skill. You gotta show them what to.
like-
You gotta
you
show them
have
what to do.
Yeah. All right, so let me go ahead and show it to you. Let's finish it up, and well, again, as I mentioned earlier, you see how much oil we have. Look at that crispy golden chicken. I'm gonna show you how much oil we have collected from the chicken itself. Okay.
The oil from the chicken.
Yep. Yes.
Save that. We'll use that for cooking.
Yes. At least you know naturally from the chicken. Instead of the one that we buy from the bottle, we don't even know what's in it.
Yeah.
You know, if it's good for us, even they were saying organic or olives, it's not already compressed. Imagine that olive bottle is like what? How much? $10, $15. You buy a real olives, it costs you more because like it's not enough oil to fill out the whole bottle. So there's more in there.
Yeah.
But there is advantages to having some oil, especially olive oil in your diet.
Of course.
The Greeks lived the longest in the world.
Absolutely.
And their diet is fish and, stuff like that. So.
Okay, absolutely. Yeah, that is what our main goal is, to just have enough that our body needs.
Yeah.
But if we every day using this and that, so this is a very easy clean. If you notice, see how it's If it's hot, put hot water. If it's cold, just keep it cold. But this, you can use a broth or making some mashed potato in there, add it in there. But for this one, we're gonna make pancit in 8 minutes. So the was to
You
see
get
how
the
pancit-
chicken flavor there.
Yeah, chicken broth, right? And again, the chicken, there is no salt. For presentation purposes, I'm using, Mamacita should pay me because I've been using it.
99 cents.
Give me a discounted
Seafood
one
City.
cent. Just half. That way we don't want to have to put too much salt in there. Just half of the seasoning. Okay, now I am usually, otherwise, how you make your pancit? Do you have to soak this one? For how long?
No water, basta ano na siya, like soft na siya.
Until it gets soft, right? Yeah. So now, you waited, let's say if you don't have enough time, then you waited that long to soak it, and then you withdraw the water out. So that's additional water.
Wait.
So, but this one in Salad Master, as long as both ends get soaked for a few seconds, and then you drop all the veggies or whatever you want to add in here. And then we put a timer. This is the one that started, forget about it. This is my part. Alright, so I'm gonna show you temperature. There's temperature and timer. So for this one, if you long press that one, it's like, or you can do digit one by one. So long press is actually like 10, 20, 30, 40, right? So and then there's a timer. So timer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minutes your pancit is done.
8 minutes.
Yeah. So this one right here, set it, forget about it.
It's already popping.
I know, right? There. All right. So now, that's good, Tim. You know. that's it. Okay. The kitchen shears. If I can find it, it's right here. And where is the chicken from? There you go. There you go. Oh, go ahead. All right. So. Look at this one. So as I mentioned earlier, Salad Master, we helped you promote on about healthy eating back into your kitchen because we help you eliminate using oils and fats. Eliminate or minimize. Okay. So because once it builds up in our body, this is what it will goes in our body, right? The more we consume it, the more it builds up inside our body. Now, if you buy a bottle for oil, it gets empty, right? And you need more oil. You need more oil. So where do you think those oil going?
In your body?
Yes, right? Yeah. So at least this oil, you know that's actually coming from the natural chicken, right? You don't have to add another oil. And imagine it was frozen, okay? Now, if I were to ask you the oil, the regular oil, if I were to ask you to drink the oil, would you drink it?
No.
Why not?
Doesn't taste really good.
That's why.
If you can't drink it because of this one, it's not probably good for our body, right? Then why are we eating it?
Yeah.
You know, I think?
Yeah.
So cooking the olive oil, so basically we're eating it. So if we can't drink it because it's not good for us, again, why are we eating it? Cooks completely, no blood. It was frozen, crispy. You can make your pork. What's that? Pata.
Pork pata, crispy pata,
Crispy.
or lechon kawali.
Lechon kawali, right? It's juicy.
Yeah, pwede ka ng pancit.
Pwede lechon kawali.
Alright, so this is kitchen shears that I just showed you.
Yeah, because we actually had chicken